Welcome to onSodi.com. Welcome to the video trailer for image repairs and lens corrections of RAW files in Adobe Camera Raw. This video shows a collection of short clips about retouching sensor dust, removing details, and correcting lens distortions. Far more is contained within the members area of onSodi.com. Okay, let's have a look at some clips. I will enlarge and look at the top of this image, and you will see these dark marks. These are dust marks on the camera's sensor. Sensor dust is an unfortunate part of digital photography. Please note, sensor dust is rarely visible to your eyes. It's very small, but shows up on your images. It's important to keep your camera equipment clean, and be careful when changing your lenses, that you are in a clean environment. Let's have a look at the tools we have available, and it's the spot removal tool. Clicking on the spot removal tool in the toolbar. In the right-hand side, the options for the spot removal tool become available. We have several options to choose from. Here's a vital tip. To return to your normal tabs, tap the letter I on the keyboard. Reduce the size of my brush so it's just a little bit larger than my dust mark, and I can continue to click on any dark marks. As I move around the image, you will see each click and repair has an accompanying circle, and a range of circles from the source to repair detail areas. I want to remove this bird. I will make the brush larger by tapping the square bracket key, and I will click once, and this has now removed the bird. Within this green circle is the source material that replaces the bird area. If I move this image source spot over here by clicking and dragging, and release the mouse, come over to the source area, and I can move that around. My destination space also moves, and I can adjust the source area until I line it up. Turning off the show overlay option, and you can see it's done a reasonable job. There are a few missing areas in here. I am simply going to redo those small areas, but the problem I have here is that I cannot clone within the existing heal area. With the show overlay option switched on, the software keeps the last healing brush active. To get around this, turn off the show overlay option and I can commence again. The pins are visible, or I can click to make another pin active. A simple click. Now, here's some clips on lens corrections. From left to right, the off option will undo or reset any of those auto corrections that have been applied. The letter A means auto will apply a level of balanced correction in relation to the original optical appearance of the image. These are often small adjustments. The level setting will apply an automatic level adjustment, where the software will attempt to level out horizontal lines. The vertical will apply both the level and vertical perspective corrections. And the last automatic function, the full setting, will apply all adjustments automatically. Return all of the manual sliders back to 0, and I'm going to click on the auto function of apply all. This has achieved a great result. Turn off the show grid. Before and after preview, and this has done a magnificent job. The members area of onSodi.com has the full versions of these video lessons. Click the link at the end of this video to see more.